Mesh Edge Skin Elements has been enhanced for Femap version 2020.1. The workflow of the command has changed to go right in the Edge Face selection dialog box. Free Face and Free Edge can now be used to quickly select all free faces or free edges in the model. The user will also be prompted if they would like to apply element offsets, saving time from modifying elements at later stages. Mesh Connect Rigid now allows the user to specify a minimum number of target nodes per source node. The user can also specify if multiple source nodes can map to the same target nodes. The performance has been enhanced to make the searching for target nodes much more efficient. A new command has been added as a model check. Tools check mesh interference will determine if any line, planar, or solid element passes through any other elements, taking into account cross-sections of line elements and thickness of planar elements. The user can select to group these elements for later use. Notice how in this model there is an area of planar elements that have not been offset.